one day which are iconic by their standards in Hollywood. This is something that we are really prioritizing in our library. And when it comes to franchise, I think this is what I would like to say, that the more I have two questions for you. One, what is your favorite Bond character and which movie you like the most?
I love Pierce Brosnan as Bond. To me, he was, I mean, he's the epitome of class and handsome. And my favorite movie was, that was the question, right? Was Casino Royale.
Okay.
Yeah, so more recent, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. And the second question I had is, what were your thoughts about being a part of the Big School of Bonding campaign?
It's been, it's been a pleasure. I mean, it's something that obviously it's very different for me. It's, it was a very different experience, but, the team, the directors, and also Sony Pix, everyone on my team, they made it so easy, and I had to actually act a little bit and stuff like that. So, but no, it was a great experience for me, and I enjoyed it a lot.
And I can tell you, our team enjoyed working with you.
Thank you.
Welcome once again.
Thank you.
Center. Filmy itu guna ada mana tu? Tanya itu side. Tanya inside. Tanya one solo picture. Solo. अरे कुड़े वाले इसलिए बाहर मैम सेंटर नहीं सानिया सेंटर प्लीज सेंटर प्लीज Hey, glass center. Center, man, center.
Thank you.
But then I understood it, and obviously, everyone loves watching Bond films, and the fact that we were trying to promote, James Bond, and and just the sheer fact that I was, I had that honor of doing it in this part of the world was great for me. So that's how this campaign happened, and I really hope that this does help, Bond, because James Bond is a cult. I think it's not something that happens every day on every other film. James Bond stays and will stay forever. So so I'm really excited to be part of this campaign.
Can we have the questions, please?
I can't see people. Yeah.
Hi, this is the two.
The
Hello.
cameras are.
Hello. Hi, this question is for Sanya. This is Ariman Raj from India TV Times. Being a sports person and being an active and fit person also, have you ever dabbled into any of the Bond type of fitness techniques which are always shown with the girls, the babes in the movies?
Well, I mean.
How much of a fitness freak are you? Do you resort to karate or any of the other endurance techniques?
No, I have to be for my profession, so that's something.
What are the ones which you normally practice regularly?
What stuff do I do?
Fitness
stuff. I mean, I'm working out and practicing and gymming for about 5-6 hours a day. So it's like my day job. So like you guys go and sit on the desk 9 to 5. I have a 9 to 5 job which I have to do. So it's just that my timings vary. And I incorporate a lot of things, depends when I'm playing, but a lot of it, there's a workout called Insanity, which I do a lot. There's a TRX band, which I do a lot. So there's a lot of things that we try and incorporate to keep it interesting as well.
The second question is basically being part of the sports field also, the bonding which has attracted you towards this particular project. What is the actual USP which has attracted
Well, I mean, as you all know me for many years, I love doing different things. I mean, I've not just played tennis, I've loved doing everything. And this opportunity came to me at a time when my season just got over, and it was a very short, shooting period. And I was like, oh, it's a great opportunity for me to do this. But also the main love for it was because of the fact that, I think James Bond, we've grown up with James Bond. We all have in different generations. And so I was getting a closer insight into it in certain ways, and also the fact that Sony Pix is Sony is a really big channel, and it's a very respected channel, and it's a privilege to be doing this.
हेलो सानिया, आप अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से कितना टाइम एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए देती हैं और कौन सा टीवी चैनल देखना ज़्यादा या किस तरह का देखना पसंद करती हैं?
मेरे पास टाइम काफ़ी होता है जब मैं जब टूर करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई प्रैक्टिस, आई हैव 5-6 hours of work, and then after that I don't do anything else. So I have quite a lot of work, so I try and catch up on a lot of shows and stuff like that. But I try to watch movies. मेरा फेवरेट चैनल तो सोनी पिक्स ही अभी मैं बोलूँगी ना.
हाय सानिया, क्या चीज़ें हुई इस साल को जिसे आप याद करना चाहोगे?
I mean, obviously टेनिस को लेके मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा साल रहा, चाहे वो US Open हो या गोल्ड मेडल हो या वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीतना हो. So it's been a great year for me, and also personally it's been a very good year. But also I've been able to do different things this year. I walked the ramp a few times, and also did something like this, which I've never done in my life. So all in all, it's been an extremely exciting year.
Hello Sania. Hi. You are promoting Bond movies and Sony
I don't know
Pix.
where you are.
Bond-like qualities in your hubby.
Well, I hope so. I mean, I married him, so and I like Bond. I think he's very understated, like Bond is. I think that's what is really good about. He's extremely, he's quiet, but he does his work, and he'll just, put his cufflink on and wink and walk away. So.
Hi Sania. Hi. Okay, you once said a statement that you would like Deepika to play yourself if there's a biopic made on you. So if that's the case, which actor you would like to play Shoaib's part?
I mean, I don't think Salman and Deepika have acted, right? Am I wrong? Have they acted? Salman and Deepika? They haven't acted. I'll just say Salman Khan.
That will be the last question. Both Saurabh and Sania will be available for interactions post the lunch.
Sania ma'am, center. Please, बोला आगे ना, आगे क्या? यार नहीं.
रोलिंग तो होने दो आप.
सानिया, कांग्रेचुलेशन. पहले एसोसिएशन के बारे में बताइए कि कैसा रहा और कैसे आया
एक्चुअली जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मुझे जब अप्रोच किया गया, मेरा सीज़न
तभी ख़त्म हुआ था एंड इसीलिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थॉट इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. पहले जब आई वाज लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड कि जब व्हेन दिस केम एंड आई वाज लाइक I don't know, obviously I had certain apprehensions, लेकिन उसके बाद, when I thought about it, I mean, how much we all love James Bond and how much we all, and how, respectable a channel Sony is, for me it was a no-brainer. So, I think it was as simple as that, and after that, it was a lot of fun. We shot for 3 days, 3 campaigns, and it was a lot of fun. थोड़ा सा था क्योंकि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी थोड़ी सी एंड देयर वाज थिंग्स लाइक दैट, लेकिन और आल्सो इट वाज नॉट जस्ट नॉर्मल, इट वाज थोड़ा सा अलग सी एक्टिंग थी, डायलॉग्स थे एंड थिंग, लेकिन आई थिंक द टीम, मैंने जैसे कहा, दे मेड इट सो सिंपल एंड दे केप्ट कमिंग अप टू मी एंड सेइंग नो प्रॉब्लम एंड maybe I was giving more takes that I should have, लेकिन no, they were really nice and we had a lot of fun.
जॉब आपका आसान नहीं है, बहुत सारी टिप्स देनी है उन लड़कों को जो लड़कों का दिल जीतना चाहते हैं, तो टफ था, इजी था, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस था?
नहीं, इजी था in terms of once you understand what you're trying to do, I think it was good. So लेकिन it was a lot of fun. I think James Bond is such an iconic character that has been around for all of our lives, I think. So it was pretty simple to understand, on a closer note, how good he is and how classy he is. So it was quite easy.
Sanya, which player on the tour would remind you of James Bond, and would it be Federer because you're about to play with him?
Yeah, I think I was actually just going to say Roger. I think he's probably as classy as any man can get. Probably.